If you are interested in the first generation of the Chevy Cruze, you may wonder what is the Chevy Cruze ECO. And the Chevy Cruze ECO or ECO is actually a trim, a special trim for these cars, based on the 1.4 liter engine. And it's the trim that General Motors said that would be nice for fuel consumption. Actually, they saved about 2 grams of fuel a day, but here is what they changed. Actually, one of the most important changes was the shutter grille here. So here is the special mechanism that shuts the curtains here to let the engine warm up faster and to let it stay warmer when you are on highways. So this saves some fuel. And the second thing that they changed, they didn't include the spare wheel. So in my case, I have the spare wheel, proper spare wheel here. And in ECO, you don't have a spare wheel. You will still have this niche, this compartment, but you will only have the special kit for tire repair. And you will probably need to have the Massachusetts Institute of Technology degree to learn how to use that tire repair kit. It's very awful, and so a lot of owners just buy the donut spare wheel and put it there. So basically, ECO is something that Chevy failed with. The idea was pretty cool, but actually they didn't make many changes for this car, and eventually it's not worth the money, of course.